So we're going to clean the fans of this laptop. Let's see how we go. It's a bit dusty. So it's important to disconnect the battery so you don't touch anywhere accidentally. Yeah, so it's important to clean all this, plus all of that rubbish there. Just blow it away. And use a brush, give it a clean. And that's it. And if you're really concerned, you can also open up these screws here and lift this up and apply new thermal paste. This being a recent model, I'm not gonna bother, but if it's very old and a few years old, then do it. When you have sharp nails, you don't need any tools. Oh, I forgot to put the screw. And that's about it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.